Hey friends, I'm super excited. We are putting the final touches on a new track from Gin, Chocolate, and Bottle Rockets. It was a song written by Shondell Marks and one of her students, Nancy Floater. Super excited to release this on Mother's Day Eve at Art House 360. You can find tickets on ginchocolateandbottlerockets.com. But one thing I want to point out is we recorded this song and then we let it sit for a little while and we went back and listened again and we caught some things that we wanted to add and change. So if you are a recording artist, it's a good idea sometimes to record and then sit back for a week, don't listen to it, and then go back and listen to it again, because a lot of times you are hearing it as the performer and not as a true listener. So you're going to be either super critical on things that don't matter, or you're going to miss things that you thought went great during the recording that maybe could be better. So that's my advice for recording artists, is give yourself a little gap in time between recording and releasing.